In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Reparto in Suno AI. Reparto is a fast, high-energy Cuban urban style that lives in the same neighborhood as reggaeton, dembow, and Latin trap. It's all about an aggressive rhythm, repetitive hooks that get stuck in your head, energetic chants, heavy percussion, and a full-on party atmosphere. The key to nailing this in Suno AI is guiding the model with the right prompt, production keywords, and simple chant-like lyrics. Start by opening Suno AI and logging into your account. Once you're in, click Create and switch to Advanced Mode. Advanced Mode gives you more control over how the AI interprets your ideas, which is especially helpful for a genre like Reparto that depends on very specific rhythm and vibe. Now, build your Reparto style prompt. Think of the prompt as your creative steering wheel. Keep it focused and tell Suno exactly which lane of Reparto you want. You can lean into a basic Reparto feel if you want a straightforward, punchy groove. Go for a party Reparto direction if you want crowd chants and club energy. Choose a modern Latin urban angle for a sleeker, contemporary edge, or try a dark Reparto tone for grittier percussion and moodier vocals. Pick one of these directions and state it clearly up front so the model knows your target. Next, strengthen the prompt with Latin production keywords that signal the rhythm and attitude. Add phrases like dembow rhythm, Latin percussion, party chants, club atmosphere, urban Latin vocals, tropical groove, reggaeton energy, and dance floor vibe. These descriptors help Suno lock onto the correct beat structure, percussion palette, and vocal delivery, which is critical for that unmistakable Reparto drive. For lyrics, keep them short and repetitive. Reparto often thrives on simple chants, repeating lines, and call-and response phrases that are easy to shout along with. One or two catchy hooks repeated across sections will do more for the groove than dense verses. If you don't have lyrics ready, you can paste your style direction into the lyrics field and use the Generate Lyrics icon to draft a starting point. Then simplify the lines to keep the hook front and center. When you're ready, click Create. Suno will generate two versions with different rhythms and vocal energies. Listen for the one with the strongest groove, the best dance energy, and the catchiest repetitive hook. Choose the version that makes you want to move immediately, and you'll have a solid Reparto foundation ready for your next party-ready track.